Searching in Gemini AI assistant in Chrome browser. Check your internet connection and try again, error occurs. Solution: go to date and time settings, turn on set time automatically. Wrong date and time might cause the error, so turn on set time automatically. Now I can search in Gemini. Problem fixed. Solution: to open control panel, go to system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, then advanced settings, go to outbound rules, check whether any of the following ports are blocked. Port number 443, 3478, 3479, 3480. Check whether any of these ports are blocked or not. If the ports are blocked, then you can allow the connection for the ports by selecting the allow the connection. Select disable rule to allow the connection so we can access internet. Solution 3: ensure Wi-Fi is connected with internet connection. Subscribe.